Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Samantha. And today we're doing another Starlite Village review video. You guys really liked my last video and it's still getting views. I think I did it over a year ago, so I decided to do another one. My last one was on the C collection, which was the cowrie shell stuff. So I decided to get some more stuff from her, some like random stuff, and see how the quality is, see what the situation is and whatnot. And yeah, so if you like these types of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So I just got this package in the mail yesterday and I didn't open it at all because I wanted to open it in front of you guys and get my first impression. So let's go ahead and open it. This is like the struggle. I'm not using the sharpest scissors. Okay. So I literally grabbed a bunch of like random things because I wanted to get a feel of a bunch of different types of her items and see how the quality is. So let's just go ahead and grab the first item on top. So she does put her stuff in these little like burlap bags, which I think is really cute, and it says reusable on the back, which I think this is such a nice touch because when you're traveling you can use these to store your jewelry in. And it looks like she did put my 3 jewelry items that I purchased in there. So let's go ahead. The first one, so I got this bracelet and it comes in the plastic bag and it says life is short. So let me just take it out so you guys can see it better. And it comes on this nice little card, which I think is really cute, and it says it's made with recycled paper, which I really appreciate when brands use recycled items because I think it's important for everyone to help out the environment. So this is what it looks like, and the back. So let me go ahead, take the tape off. I'm like struggling here. Okay, and so this is one of those like pole tie bracelets, and she does have her little Starlite Village tag on the end. I think she puts that on all her jewelry items. I know on the C collection, on the necklace I bought, she had the little Starlite Village tag. So I'm just going to try it out, put it on. So it is very easy to cinch. As you saw, I didn't struggle. I really just put it on really fast, which I like because you know how Pura Vida, their strings have that waxy coating. Sometimes it's hard to, cinch it closed. So it's very easy. I think this is like super cute because these little like letter beads remind me of when I was younger, those bracelets used to make. And it does seem really good quality. The knots are really good because, sometimes these bracelets, they aren't knotted right and the knots will like come undone on you and whatnot. But it's super cute. Let me try to show you a close-up. So that's the little cinch looks like, if my camera wants to focus. And it just says life is short. So that's super cute. And I did get another one of these bracelets too, and I got the one that says thriving. I think this is her beachy collection if I remember right. She has a bunch of ones that say different things. She even has one that says Pogue. If you guys watched The Outer Banks on Netflix, then you know the word Pogue, what that means. So let me just take this one off. So already one of the knots does seem a little not like melted right, if you know what I mean, like when they cut the string and then they take like a lighter or whatever to melt them. It doesn't seem like melted right, but I can just fix that myself with like a lighter. So I'm just gonna take that one off. So I'm like trying to make sure it's not upside down. So it says Thriving. And go ahead and put this one on. This one's actually like smaller than the other one for some reason. That's weird. I have it like all the way open and I'm actually struggling to put it on my hand. So that's really weird. And of course, now that I had it all the way open, it's hard to get those knots. Might have to use my mouth for this. Don't come for me, guys. There we go. Yeah, that one's definitely smaller than the other one. If you can see, there's not like much string. So that's really weird. I don't know if they have different sizes. On the bag, it doesn't say anything. I didn't think I saw anything on the website. Oh, well, actually, it makes sense. I'm kind of dumb. Had a dumb moment. So life is short is a longer word and thriving is a shorter, you know, lettering. So obviously the bracelet is going to be like smaller, if that makes sense. But I do wish they gave a little more like room because it was kind of a struggle to put on. So the next jewelry item I got is a little choker, and it just comes in another plastic baggie. So this is actually one of her brand new releases. I want to see exactly which one this is called. So this is the Night Sky Choker. And it has the little tag on it that says Starlite Village. And it says made with recycled paper, which I think is so amazing. So this is what this choker looks like. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it. I'm just trying to straighten it out for you. Sorry, this is such a weird angle, so I don't know if my camera will focus on it. But it has little crescent moons and suns, which I think is so cute. So overall, I think this is really good quality. Here, let me take this little tag off. And I want to see if I can try it on for you guys. Let's see if I'm going to be challenged or not with putting it on. This is kind of a struggle because since it's like double chain, if you know what I mean, it keeps wanting to get tangled. Let me see. I'm just trying to make sure that it's, you know, all straightened out. And it has a little tag at the end that says Starlite Village. And it is sizable too, which is super cute. Let's see if I can find one of these holes. There we go. So let's try zoom in on it. See if my camera will focus. So this is what it looks like. This is gorgeous, honestly. I love this so much. This is so cute. This is gonna be super cute for the summer. And it doesn't feel like sharp or anything, because you know how sometimes charms on chokers can be like, you know, sharp, and it's just so dainty, to be honest. It doesn't like feel like it's choking me or anything, you know? I mean, they are called chokers, but some chokers will literally feel like they're choking you. So the next thing I got are these socks. She does have apparel, but pretty sure all of the apparel is sold out except for some hats and socks. So I did want to get some socks, and I got the peach ones because I love peach anything. And this comes in the plastic packaging. So let me take that out for you guys. And just says Starlite Village on the front. The peach, super cute. And I'll read the back. It says each sock is hand dyed and one of a kind. Sorry, I cannot read obviously, which makes each a beautiful work of art. These socks are eco-friendly and made with recycled plastic water bottles and organic cotton, which actually I didn't know that these were made with recycled water bottles, which I think is amazing yet again. This is mind-blowing. And they do feel really good quality. They feel thick. And on the foot of it, it says Starlite Village, which is so cute. So they both have a little embroidered peach. And obviously, like, the embroiderment is so good quality. Like, it's not coming off or anything. They're so thick. I do want to try one on. I'm just taking off my other sock. Let me roll up my pants because these are kind of taller ones. So let's see. Ooh, these do feel nice. They're not like tight. You know how sometimes socks are tight? These do feel super nice. I think I have the wrong sock on the wrong foot because I have the peach on the inside, but that's okay. This is what they look like. Starlite Village. But they're super, you know, good quality. They feel really nice. They're not too thick, so they're not like a boot sock, but they're super nice. They're not uncomfortable. I hate when socks are uncomfortable. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I think everything for the most part is pretty good quality. I did not like how this bracelet was, you know, on the small side. So when you're ordering them, just keep that in mind. The less the letters are, if that makes sense. I'm not even sure if I'm speaking correct English. So the less the letters are, the shorter the bracelet is gonna be. So if you have like bigger wrists, then get like more letters. And if you have smaller wrists, then you should be fine. But yeah, I like everything. Everything's super cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to see more videos like this. I do a bunch of like haul videos, review videos, and lifestyle videos in general. And I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time you're watching this. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. Bye.